What's up, guys? So I'm at the shop today, and so I've been trying to grow my YouTube channel and kind of just share a little behind the scenes of kind of the stuff that I'm up to every day. But the thing is, I have so many projects going on, and I originally thought that the best way to film would be to just do this project and then show that part of it and make a video out of it. But I'm always jumping back and forth between projects, so it's really hard to just kind of focus on make a video about one thing when I'm one day I'm working on the boat, one day I'm working on the bike, one day I'm working in the shop, one day I'm working on the van. So I figured the easiest way for me to do it is just film it when I'm working on it, and I guess just make like a vlog type format. I really didn't want to do a vlog, but I don't really see any other easier way to go about it. So typically on Saturday I'd be working on the boat project, and probably when I film this I haven't really kind of introduced the boat to you guys, but back in May I purchased a boat that was in kind of rough shape, a 37-foot boat for very inexpensive, and I knew it needed a ton of work, and myself and my girlfriend, we intend to renovate it and live in it full time. I think both of us have done the home ownership thing, and we're just kind of past that right now, and paying $2,000 a month rent is getting kind of exhausting. So we looked into some tiny houses, and it doesn't really work in Florida. And the easiest thing in Florida to do is just to live on a boat. You can get dock space for under $1,000 a month, and we really want to start traveling more. And paying $2,000 a month rent, and then the travel and the plane tickets and the hotels, and it makes it really hard to kind of take extended vacations. Just trying to live a little bit more than just work all the time. Having seen my father go through the cancer thing makes me kind of question why I come here and just hustle every single day without really taking a break. So I've been really trying to make a point to take some time off during the week, and kind of plan more a vacation and family time and things like that. So that's more or less the gist of the boat. But one thing that's taken a back seat is the van project. I was really super gung-ho about the van because I wanted to use it for Sebring this year to sleep in it, but work is just, Christmas was super hectic, and then after Christmas I took some time off, and then next thing I know Sebring was here, and this is how the van has been sitting ever since. So when I bought the boat, I tend to collect projects without finishing them, but when I purchased the boat, I just decided to push the van aside, and the van is something that I'm just gonna have to try to fit in when I have the opportunity. I'd really like to take it to Sebring this year. We'll see how that goes. But the reason why I'm not working on the boat today is because I've decided to go to the Barber Vintage Motorcycle Fest, October 4th to the 7th. One of our retailers, City Limit Moto, is going to be selling our stuff, and I'm just going to kind of go and film and chill and photograph and relax while they kind of handle the sales of the product. So I'll leave a link to City Limit down in the description, and if you're going to be at the Barber Fest, come and check us out. But I've had this CB360 sitting around for probably over 2 years. I actually bought it on my birthday. It was kind of an impulse buy. I guess 2 Januaries ago, maybe it was 3 Januaries ago. And another project that I was all amped about, and I never really touched it. But I have about 2.5 weeks before Barber, and I want to bring it, and I want to kind of do some things to it. Very simple build. So I have 2.5 weeks to kind of get this thing looking a little nicer. I had somebody do some work on it last year, change the handlebars and such, but it's been sitting ever since. So yeah, so I have 2.5 weeks, and I'm gonna try to do a little build on this and share it with you guys. So here's a little cinematic B-roll of what the CB360 looks like right now.